After we have complete install OpenBox and configuring it, we are still left with a very bare-bones operating system. So in this section 5, we will install some essential features of a operating system, like a file manager, a archive manager, or the notification mechanism. So from now on, each of the sections, like section 5 or section 6 here and section 7, we will have a copy path sections like here with a very long command with install all the package necessary for that section. Actually, this command is the combinations of a lot of small packets here. If you don't want to install a very long command like this, you could copy path just each of the line here for each of the packet. So right click and copy, and we need a terminal path and enter. Give my password. To saving time, I have already downloaded all the packet and it will just install. Okay, for now. In the next videos, we will go into each of the packet and I will show you how to using it. Okay, end this video for now.